My name is Cole. I'm one of our lead placement consultants here at Northcoders. The job that I do is to help our Northcoders get into incredible roles after they've completed our courses. I manage a team of people where we're constantly outreaching new businesses, account managing and building those relationships. Although our boot camps are only 13 weeks, we're really proud to say that our learners are really immersed into the world of technology throughout their 13 weeks with us. They have 480 hours worth of contact hours, and that's not just with pure teaching, that's building projects, that's collaborating together, that is, meeting hiring partners, that is coming to events with our careers team. And I think the real benefit of having such an intensive course is that we're allowing our Northcoders to really get stuck into the world of technology. If you're not immersed in the world of that language, then it's going to be much more difficult to pick it up quickly. And I think that's why Northcoders is so unique in the way that we do things. It's because we really want them to live a life fully as a techie and to be able to pick up all those different technical stacks and languages that they possibly can. Throughout the course, another really important thing to mention is our Northcoders go through several projects. Naturally, we start them off in the back end, where they have to build a back end project. We then move to the front end. So again, building upon that back end project that they already had, and making sure that everything is also accessible on their GitHubs. We then go into our final project, which is building a full stack project that could be an app, a website, something that is usable by the public. And another thing to note is that we don't allow them to use the technology stacks that we have taught them on the course. And I think that, again, is what sets apart our Northcoders, is that we're teaching them to be able to hit the ground running, no matter the technology stack that their future employer is using. And we strongly believe it's a extremely important skill to have, because they're going to go into the world of work, probably not in the tech stack that we've taught them. The majority of our Northcoders go on to C#, C++, TypeScript, etc. There's so many different languages out there. And without having that collaboration that they have throughout the bootcamp, not only with their fellow Northcoders, but also with our teaching team, it just sets them up for success. At Northcoders, you're able to hire one of our amazing junior developers, data engineers, Java developer, completely free of charge. We do this because we want to make sure that getting into work for our Northcoders is not only more accessible for them, but it also means it's more accessible for businesses. So no matter if you're a large-scale enterprise, or you're an SME, or you're actually just a startup and you're just getting started, getting those first people through the door, you know that you can always come to Northcoders and you're going to have a highly talented individual or individuals, and it's not going to hurt your purse strings. When you're hiring a junior from Northcoders, you're getting somebody who has come from a really diverse background. A majority of our Northcoders are career changers. So these are people who have been through the workplace before, they've built their careers, they've built those skills that a lot of employers are currently looking for, which is particularly those soft skills. Back in the day, people used to think that our sort of software developers, data engineers, Java developers, were just people who sat in the back office and never spoke to anybody and sat in the dark and coded all day. But that's what we're trying to challenge at Northcoders. We're building people who are ready to be part of a team and be able to collaborate with people, at all levels. So if you're thinking about hiring from Northcoders and you're wondering what type of companies hire directly from us, well, the answer is everyone. We're in a really fortunate position at Northcoders to be able to work with over 465 different companies, and that number is ever growing. The biggest thing for us is building those long-lasting relationships with those businesses that we work with. As part of hiring a Northcoder, you are assigned an account manager who will get to know you, get to know your team, get to know your company inside out, so we can make sure that we can find you the best candidates possible. Without our hiring partners, we wouldn't be able to do the jobs that we do. We wouldn't be able to train the amount of people that we do as well and help them begin their journeys into their tech careers. If you're thinking about hiring a junior developer, come to Northcoders. You'll be well looked after.